Ako nga pala si Coach Marlon ng Triple Threat Basketball League. So ngayon ay naka-season 2 na kami. Iniimbitahan ko kayo, meron pa kaming slot, available slot sa 14 under, 15 under, 16 under at 17 under. So alam namin na malakas kayo kaya sumali na kayo rito. Tara G, let's go!
So, shoutout lahat ng mga ballers dyan. I invite you to watch 3TBL Season 2. Pagkat ng mga bakbakan dito. Come and watch. Let's go!
Check nga natin, check cam. Against the light ba mga ya? Sabi na. All goods.
Ako nga pala si Coach Marlon ng Triple Threat Basketball League. So ngayon ay naka-season 2 na kami. Iniimbitahan ko kayo, meron pa kaming slot, available slot sa 14 under, 15 under, 16 under at 17 under. So alam namin na malakas kayo kaya sumali na kayo rito. Tara G, let's go!
So, shoutout lahat ng mga ballers dyan. I invite you to watch 3TBL Season 2. Pagandang mga bakbakan dito. Come and watch. Let's go!
Oh, what a day. Oh, what a day. Oh, what a day. Oh, what a day when we fell in love. Birds sang, people were gay.
Time for both teams. Diba? In front, JS, first five. In front, first five, pasok na. Yo, check. Okay, dinig tayo sa commentary. And still, napakalayo pala ng insight natin. Bahala na lang po sa... Op, op, op. Okay na. Coach! Yung saksakan po doon sa bayan na, ingat na lang po. Okay? Oh. Low, low. Low, low, low. Okay. Yan, wala. Hindi, nakawala kasi. What? Low, 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 check. Low, check. Ay, meron kayo. Okay, low, low, low. Nakawala ka talaga. Low, low, check. And here we go. Ayun na. Okay, yung ball of possession mula sa Elite. Nakasablay pa rin. And still habang inaayos pa rin natin yung ating microphone from announcing. And here it goes for the coming up first game at napakalakas na lang ng pass sa Vasco ay hindi nakasalo. And of course, in fun, it takes it out to another turnover. Mula sa Elite. Kanina pass mula sa gitna. Unang jumps. Narangalang supply. Glorioso. Another putback para na Infan pa rin makakuha ng rebound. And another third slap and another steal. Napakalakas na naman pagkakawak ng bola. Bali, open up for three. No good at his first points. Now, mula sa Elite. Lau. Dimension na bahaga. Kanila pa sa 52. And third slap and another foul. Foul number 12 bumali. And his first personal foul. First team foul on him foul. 2 free throws coming in. Pamanginoon. First up, tatlo. And first points mula sa Elite, and it's good. Nakakapit pa rin sa Infan at napaagad ang depensa ng Elite. Eh, nasalo pa rin ang baga. Rastro onto the layup and it's good. Lau. An interception pass. Open up onto the place, and it's good. Poliante hindi nga lang nasalo. Still out of bounds. Tanong mo nga coach yung speaker na konti. Parang yun. Now sa pa na possession. Mabilis. Binigay kay Umali. Umali on the Mabilis. Kanta na pa sa ilalim and night value by touch up and another points from coming in from number 6. And still pa rin Saint Pan. And another one for calling a foul. That is first foul. First team foul on the init. 5 players. Now Mabilis. Open up for 3. And nice po na Rebellion. Wala pa rin. And Glorioso na makakuha ng rebound. Glorioso to Lau. Lau again and another one still. And open. Rasco on the layup is good. Now 5JS without possession. Poliante. Back pass on to Carban. On to Lau. Lau and sides it up. And supply pa rin. Kami nakuha pa rin coming in from Poliante. Open it for 3. And rebound coming in from Infan. And still by Lau. Lau de derecho. Behind the back. Open for him. What a move. And grabe naman ang galawan yan. Lau and contributed on the point points. And what a move. Now Rasco. Mabilis. On the Marquez. And it's good. Written official score. Loud. Finds pass. Ibinigay kay Poliante. Open up for 3. Reed! Now on Marquez. Marquez side step and shot the block coming in from Agulay. Nakuha ni Lau. Lau on to Poliante on jumper. And the rebound coming in from Glorioso and another putback and it's good. Dalawang kalamangan ng Infant. Mabilis. And diretso kami na bagya. And Mabilis and shot, it's good. And another foul again. Foul on number 10, Mabilis. That is first foul. Second team foul on Infant. Now Lau. Side step kami. Napakaganda pasa sa gitna pero shot is stop coming in from Glorioso. Umali. Omen and shot is blocked coming in from Lau. At nakuha na naman ng 5 JS with another possession. Lau on drive and another one. And Lau is shot is off. And Poliante, napakalakas ng timan na sa Infant na makakuha ng rebound. Pasco onto the layup and it's good. Dahil on taking the double team. Lau. De derecho. Napakagandang pasa on number 1 and it's good. Napakadikit ng depensa mula dito sa 5 JS. Now still 4 minutes and 20 seconds and another one. Lau. Now pasa coming in from Glorioso and it's good. Score dyan, 13-14. Sa kabila, 13. And there's another foul again. Substitution. Foul number 50. Aking guy. Ilan yun? Hindi, I mean, ilan yung 52? Second foul. Number 52, that is second personal, that is first foul. Third team foul on 5 JS. 11 dyan, no? Sa elite. Coach, 11 yung elite ah. 11 pa lang? Pasok isa sa infant. Now, Abogado. Kanta na pasa mula sa ilalim. And it's good. Now, taken mula sa gitna. Publish. Drives up. Pass to Umani. Pero natapos natin. Rasco. Napakaganda ng salo. And Rasco, a shot is good. Now, still in the same band. Publish. All the way up on the Marquez. Marquez on the Publish. Takes out for three. Ring! And shot it. Publish again. And turns it up in another foul. Substitution. Arrow number 27. Potential. And it's first foul. Warning for penalty on 5JS. 3 shots coming in from Publish. Shots on free throw, his shot is off. Potential. Kukuha nga ba ng bola? Sa potential pa ng Publish pa rin na makakuha na steal. Umali on to Rasco. And it's good. Timeout. Elite 5JS.
Yo, what's up? This is Alric Clutch. The live commentary ng ating Triple Threat Basketball League. At gusto ko sana kayo na imbitahan sa papating na Friday, Saturday, Sunday for the games of Triple Threat. At iniimitahan namin kayo na manood at sumali sa panibago nating season. And please, supportahan po natin ang bawat team sa inyo ng mga alamat at syempre sa inyo din ng mga pambato. And
Now on Lau. Lau again. Nakuha na naman another steal. Now libre si Publish. And it's good enough and it's good. Now Lau. Papawi ba niya? And no good. And rebound comes to Infant. Now Umani. Open. Coming in from Rasco. And it's good. And another one calls foul. Substitution. Foul on number 17, Umani. Substitution. It is Umani. Tapos 13 foul. 13 foul po sa Foul on number 17, Umani. That is first foul. 13 foul on Infant. Abogado, binigay kay Agulay. No good. At nakuha pa rin ni Agulay again. And another one in turn sa another foul. Foul on number 12. Rebellion. That is first foul. Substitution. Warning for penalty in front. Low. Bolyante. Supply pa rin sa kanyang jump shot. Now Umali. Open again and nice shoot shot. Low. Now pointing on to Lau. Lau onto Abogado and whoa! And no good nga lang. And Glorioso in the basic putback and it's good. Now Del Peralta, wala nga lang. Still 55 seconds na lang ang ating oras. Now Lau. Diretso. And another one ay inulit niya ang kanyang galaw. And out of bounds sa Infants ball. Now last 30 seconds remaining. Now open out to the this. 25 seconds. Pablis Kevin ang 4-3. Usap, another foul. Penalty time rep. Number 12, second personal. Marshales. Same foul lang pala ang gamit ang jersey ni Marshales sa Pavilion. First free throw on Aguilar is no good.
13 seconds! 13 seconds!
Check mo. Now pointing Aguilar, second chance is no good. Now 13 seconds remaining. Now 10 seconds. Pero nakuha pa rin ni Aguilar. Aguilar, auto avocado, and grabe naman ang bagsak. And another one, and call an intentional odds 4. Calling for unsportsmanlike foul number 45. Deperal. Deperalta's first foul. 45. Last 1.3 seconds. Deperalta, sit down for 3 minutes. 45. Deperalta. Saint Fan, sit down for 3 minutes. Papasok ka lang 1 minute. Papasok ka lang 8 minutes and 3 seconds. 1.3 seconds left. Coach, 8 minutes and 3 seconds 1.3 seconds left. Poliante, on the last shot. Wala na po tayong oras. First quarter score 31-16.
Yan, ako nga pala si Coach Marlon ng Triple Threat Basketball League. So ngayon ay naka-season 2 na kami. Iniimbitahan ko kayo, meron pa kaming slot, available slot sa 14 under, 15 under, 16 under at 17 under. So alam namin na malakas kayo kaya sumali na kayo rito. Tara G, let's go!
Game time! Game time! Game time for the games. And starting off by the second quarter. Now pointing in another one and no good then. Now Mercader. And tip. Nakakuha pa rin coming in from Aguilar. Aguilar and shot is blocked. Now Bablis. On point, on to Umali. Umali and ganda pasa and puto na pa rin. Nakakuha ni Masibag. Masibag shot is blocked again and tapa ganda pasa and 22 minutes scored. Now Lau. Open and Glorioso and turns na by another foul. Subdivision. Spalbet. Sino? Specialist? Foul on number 12. That is third foul. Now Poliander. On to Lau. Lau on to Avocado. First. Wala pa. And out of bounds. Substitution. Wait a minute. Foul. Who's foul? Foul on number 19, Glorioso. 19. And now with another steal. And it's good. Eight minutes and 30 seconds. Now pointing on the Pablis. Pablis again. Mula sa ilalim. Pointing Pablis again. Natakuha pa rin na sa ilalim. And steal it from Aguilay. Lau. On Karen. Tama. In front.
Yan, ako nga pala si Coach Marlon ng Triple Threat Basketball League. So ngayon ay naka-season 2 na kami. Iniimbitahan ko kayo, meron pa kaming slot, available slot sa 14 under, 15 under, 16 under at 17 under. So alam namin na malakas kayo kaya sumali na kayo rito. Tara G, let's go!
Game time. Now pointing it and steal it on to another one. Now in front pa rin ng possession. In front pass to Ong. Ong de derecho and pointing to another one and it's good. Now Lau. Kada na pasa. Avocado turns it, a shot and a floats, no good. At nakakuha pa rin mismo ng infant, pero pumapadali pa rin. Now on for Calixterio, back to Pablis. And still no good. Marisa and Butata. Hello. And another one. Nalobat na yung mic. Now. Now pass it up. Nakakaga ng pasa and another one calls a foul. Sub! Wait lang. Pasa na. Stop it! Pa-check ka ulit. Naglolobat na to. Yes. Naglolobat na yan. Nawawala nga talaga. Pero another one guys is still pa rin coming in from Avocado. And Aguilar, libre, and still no good. Now pointing in coming in from Pablis. Pablis pa rin. Now Pablis, may binigay pa rin coming in from Ugali. Nice 10 to shoot. Pablis, ang tabangan, ang pasa from Roscoe, still no good. Now Aguilar. Aguilar de derecho onto the layup. It's good. 22. 24 na. Now on. Interception again. And another one. Substitution. Now Masibag. Masibag pass to the baseline. Whee! Now Lau. Lau. Pinasa mula dito kay Aguilar. Aguilar turns it up and a shot and it's good. Now sa infanta possession. Marquez. Napakagandang pasa and turns it up on the alley-oop and the rejection turn another turnover. No. Substitution. Putang ina mo ito. Now Lau again. Lau. Naka-corner mula sa kabila. There's still 15 to shoot. Now nakuha pa rin ng Carrioso. Now Poliata, 5 to shoot. And still from another one, and it's good. Ayaw na. Tama Calixtero. Calixtero again. Now pointing na magmumula coming in from Calixtero. Now uy. Pwede na pasa and rejection coming in from Griffan. From Avocado. Avocado, pass it up onto Aguilar and napadok pa rin ng bola. Now Aguilar, sasabay sa dalawa. He's got another rebound and turns it to fade away and it's good. 8 ang hinahabol ang infant. I mean, 8 ang hinahabol ang Elite 5 JS. May sabihin, sorry. Rasco on the jumper on the middle, no good. And he's got another rebound. Rasco holding, coming in from Lau. Bebe nakuha Calixtero and turns it to turnbuckle and goes to foul substitution. Coming in from number 12, first foul. Pasok na, pasok. Takin, Sheba, takin. 3 shots pa yun. Calixtero, napakagandang advantage. First throw. And napaluwa pa ng Bagya. Now on point onto the second one. Supply pa rin. Now ready on point onto the third one. And it's good. Now 9-point lead on Infant. Now Aguilar. Sa sinag ng araw, hindi natin makita kung saan magmumula ang ball possession. And it's still left 14 seconds to shoot. Now Shera. Napakaganda pasa mula sa gitna. Glorioso. Pass it up on to Shera again. 5 to shoot! Naman Aguilar and fist. Pero nakuha pa rin sa infant na possession. Now on pass mula sa ilalim. All the way up coming in for 3. No good. Rebound on Shera. Shera. It's a 2v2. Avocado and nice pass break transition and it's good. Now point again and still again coming in from Avocado. And part to the layup, it's good. Now still 5-point lead coming in from Infant. Now Sheba again with the steal. Earth to the third bucket and no get down. Glorioso. Pero nakuha ng Infant on the rebound. Tama po mula sa point niya na bola. Coming in from Calixtero. Umali, turn it on the drive and another foul. Serve! Foul on number 25. Now, Rebellion. Open onto Bablis. Pinasa kay Basco. Basco and another block. Pero nakuha pa rin coming in from Elite. Now, Aguilay. De derecho. Atake onto the works and another foul. And a foul call on Bablis. Now on Aguilay. On to the first. Aguilay, shot is good. Apat na lang. And turns up onto another one. And it's good. 3-point lead on Infant. Now Bablis. Open on the Rebellion. Pass it up on the Rasco. Napakagad ang peke. And Rasco, napagawan pa rin ng paraan. And it's still the 5-point lead on Infant. .41-36. Di nila kita ito. Malayo sila eh. Meron naman po. Now, on point, on to Umali. Pass it up on to Bablis. There's still 1 minute and 10 seconds. He's got 15 to shoot. And Shera takes a foul. Penalty. Second team foul. Warning for penalty. A third now. Now, Bablis. Bablis again. Last 10 to shoot. Now, Aguilar. Ipinasa pala dito kay Umali. Umali takes a drive. At dapat dulas pa lang isa. Masilag and no good. Nakuha ni Revillas. Ibinigay pa rin kami ng Papagilay. Now, fast transition on to Glorioso. And it's good. Last 10 seconds. I mean, 45 seconds to shoot pa pala. Last 40 seconds remaining. Time to shoot. Now, Bablis. Up step. Ipinasa pala dito kayo. Manny takes the butcher. And no good. Rebellion na makakuha ng rebound. Rasco. No good. Last 15 seconds. Now Aguilay. 4v1. And still no good. 10 seconds remaining. Now Rasco puts up on attack. No good. 5 seconds, Bablis. 3 seconds. Vigilias. Aguilay. And second quarter is now ended with a 41-38 official score.
Yan, ako nga pala si Coach Marlon ng Triple Threat Basketball League. So ngayon ay naka-season 2 na kami. Iniimbitahan ko kayo, meron pa kaming slot, available slot sa 14 under, 15 under, 16 under at 17 under. So alam namin na malakas kayo kaya sumali na kayo rito. Tara G, let's go!
Teacher tayo, game time, third quarter. Ano na, set ka na to tayo. Tig tatlo. Tatlo na ulit. Starting off on to third. Now, Umali. Ibinigay kami ngayon from Del Peralta. Pero, and Marisa, again, alado na mga ganda ng top 5. Pero nakuha ni Poliante. Pass to Lau. Lau on attack. And it's good. Isa na lang ang laban ng Infan. Now on Rasco. Rasco takes a pass. Open on the Pablis. Step back point three. And he's got another rebound. Rasco. Napakalakas ng pasa ng pagmumula sa hangin. Now pointing on to Avocado. Pinasa kay Lau. Lau. On to Poliante. Pass to Lau. Open on to Poliante. Napakatampik. Kaya nakuha ni Aguilay. Now, Avocado on the float for the lead. No good. Pero nakuha ni. And then Avocado and missed. Rebound on Bablis. Pass it up onto De Peralta. Bablis again. And Rasco. Attack mode and block coming in from Avocado and turn the foul. Ilan si Avocado? 11. First team foul, Elite 5 JS. Rasco on the first shot, it is good. Rasco again, his second chance is no good. Reserves up. Romney, sub up! Now pointing on to Umali. Umali on to Bablis for three. And bouncing on Bablis is taking up another three. Now Glorioso on fast break and shot is off. De Peralta, yan, tatalapasan kami ng Bablis. Umali again. Ah! Now. 8-point lead on the fan. Now, atake. And scoops up on the layup is good. Now, Umali again. Pass to De Peralta. On to Umali. Open on another one. And rebound on Poliante. Pass to Lau. And interception coming in from Umali. Umali again. Pass to De Peralta. Open for three. And no good. Pero na-interception pa rin nakuha ni De Peralta. Pass to Bablis. Bablis puts up a jumper and it's good. 2. Now, on to Poliante and bordering and it's good. Now pointing on to Umali. Umali again. Patay kami ngayon from Poliante. Umali, nice screen kami ngayon from Marisa. Pwede nakuha ni De Peralta. 1-3-1-3. And rebound on Marisa. Ganda pa, kalusot pa. And it turns up another foul sa Burp. Now, first throw on to Masirag. Masirag, first throw is not good. Masirag, yung second round is no good. 51. Tamang Glorioso. Sabi. Namon di Magali, going at traveling. Sabit, sabit! Namon Poliante. Poliante, another sidestep and counted! At may kasama pang foul. Foul on number 45. De Peralta has been second personal foul. First team foul. First team foul in front. Oliante on the bonus shot. No good. Pero nakuha pa rin ang init. Sheva, pass to Poliante. Back it out to Sheva. Low, 4-3. Tabon, Marshales. Marshales, pass to Viña. Binigay mo kay Omani. At tama agad ang pasa. Then Peralta, his shot is off. Now on Aguilar and throw it and call of another foul on number 17. Omani has been second personal, second team foul. 4 minutes. Now pointing on Tulao. Pass it up onto Sheva. And napatapik. Pero nakuha ni Poliante. Pass it up onto Aguilar and Lau and put back and it's good. Now pointing on to Umali. Umali again. Third dimension of Bagya. Now on Ted Peralta. No good. Rebound of Poliante. Open coming in from Avocado. And blocked by Viña and Sabrip. Now Sheva. Napasa pa rin mula sa gitna. Now pointing on to Lau. Lau attacks mode on the Euro step and it's good. Another 1-point lead. Ang inahabol ng init. Now and another chip. Pero nakuha ni Viña. And the ball possession comes to Elite. Now Lau. Lau open on Poliante and it's good. At labang na lang isa ang Elite. Kailangan na ng discipline mismo ng Elite 5 JS ang alagaan nila ang kanilang score. At ito namin ang tamang advantage ng Merciales dribbling the ball pero na-lose. Now Sheva turns it up in another steal. And nakuha pa rin ni Calixtero. Umali on the fake. Takes up a jumper for the lead. And it's still no good. Pero nakuha pa rin and another chip sa flip. No. Now speaking of agresibo pero nakuha pa rin ang Elite with another possession and takes it out on the three. It's no good. Nakapaplis. Adana makapag-double team pero nakuha ni Marciales. Naipasa on to Viña. Puts up for the lead and another block from Avocado. Now Viña again. Viña on to Umali. Finds pass on the corner. Takes up for three. Ah! Nakakuha ni Shera. Open on Poliante and that takes it out for the tie game. That's still 2 minutes and 15 seconds remaining. Calixtero on the ball. Pass to Pablis. Pantay kay Lau. Now Pablis takes it on the screen. Pablis trying to attack. All the way up, pass it up on the corner. No look pass on to Villa and it's good. Now, dalawa pa rin ang kalabangan ng infant. Now, Lau. Pass to Poliante. Ibinigay pa rin kami ng Pablau, but takes it up on attack and blocked by Merciales. Sabit! Now, Potencialos chicken. Now, Lau, and another tip from Bablis and another points. Timeout tayo. Timeout roll from minute 5 JS.
Yan, ako nga pala si Coach Marlon ng Triple Threat Basketball League. So ngayon ay naka-season 2 na kami. Iniimbitahan ko
Game time! Game time! Last 8 to shoot. Now last 8-second shot lang pa rin mula sa Elite. Lau, on jumper, on the tie. And nakuha pa bilang Infant kami lang sa rebound. Vinya, binigay kay Bablis. Pass to Vinya. Vinya again trying to drive, pero nakuha pa bilang another turnover from Infant. Now on to Lau. Lau trying to attack and tip away. And still not coming in from Bablis. Bablis, binigay kami in from Omani. And pass it on to Calixtero. Apakagad ang sabahin pa rin ng kaso na kumuha ng foul. On to Avocado. Avocado has got a second, third team foul on Elite. Calixtero on first. It's good. Pasok ka isa. Now pointing on to Calixtero. Second throw. And it's good. Sub rep, sub. Sub. Pasok, Sheba, pasok. Out. 42 seconds. 42. Last 40 seconds left. Poliante, napakalakas ng pasa. Coming in from Potenciano. Now Avocado. Turns it up on the jumper. No good. And the rebound coming in from Pinya. Bablis, ibinigay pa rin coming in from Umali. Calixtero. Pass to Pinya. Bablis again. It's still running on shot clock, 10 to shoot. Bablis trying to attack. Ibinigay kami ng Umali. 3 to shoot. Calixtero. And another block. Now, Lau on the steal. Pagnakuha ni Avocado. No good. 4 seconds. 3 seconds. Pinya. And the time was over with a 4-point lead on Infant.
Ela desce, ela sobe, no baile é pressão. Mina linda, perigosa, rouba meu coração. Vai quicando, vai jogando, não perde a razão. No bate. Ela desce, ela sobe, no baile é pressão. Mina linda, perigosa, rouba meu coração. Vai quicando, vai jogando, não perde a razão.
Ilang timeout both teams? Ilang timeout? Sa'yo? Tatlo sa, ano to? Infant to? Tatlo sa infant coach, tas dalawa sa elite. Tatlo pa tayo mag coach. Elite! 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 Okay, bahala na. Basta dalawa time out nyo. And starting up on the fourth quarter. Poliante. Napakagandang peke. Third it. At napakagandang tabal na naman. Now on Poliante. Throws it up and no good. And Shera with another steal. Pointing out to Shera. Pero Vinya pa rin na nakakuha kami ngayon mga Pablis. Naka-pointing out to Pablis. Pero kaso nga lang. Rebound again. Kami ngayon from Velasco. Umali. Pablis. Pumps fake. 10 to shoot. Pablis for 3. And still again, Pablis na lang yung counted again. At may kasama pang foul. 14 foul. Pasok. Sinong third yun? Sinong third? Shera. Coach! Shera, third personal. Nakapasok kami. 64? 64. Avocado, for 3. And nakuha pa rin yung team Glorioso mula Avocado. Now pointing out to Pablis. Pablis and still it on Lau. And Lau and calling a blocking foul. Pablis. First team foul. Pablis, third personal. At nakuha na naman ulit ang Poliante for 3. And rebound coming in from Ong. Ong trying to attack and no good. And rebound coming in from Rasco. And it's good. Coach, third personal, Pablis. Pablis. Napakalakas ng pasa. Poliante on the jumper. It's good. 10 pa rin ang kalamangan. Now pointing on the Pablis. Ibinigay kami ngayon from Rizcal and another one. And bounce it up on the ring and no good. Time out. Timeout call, Elite 5JS.
Diego ベイコの花が咲き風を呼び嵐来たまるでザ・ブームディエゴに会った時 LA で島歌を聴かせたらWhat the fuck is that ってなってすぐに料理したビーチ島に持ち帰って
Now, diretso na ba Aguilay? Pero pass to Poliante on the jumper. And it's good. Ay na. Nagsisimula na ang kanilang defense formation mula dito sa Elite 5JS. Pero nakatikita pa rin sa kanila dito ng defense. Pero nakalusot pa rin dito mula kay Ong. Ong. Turn it up coming in from the Bliss. He's got a 10 to shoot. Napakatikita defense coming in from Lau. Pablis for 3. Now, Aguilar takes it up on the rebound. And Poliante again. And another one. And nice save. Avocado, and it's good. Now 6-point lead. Now loose ball again. Coming in from coming in from the Vasco. On spin, movement, another block. Vasco again. And there's another foul up. Foul on number 11. Avocado's got a third personal second team foul on Elite. Coach David, third personal si Avocado. Now Vasco again on the first one. And no good. And a rebound coming in from the Elite. Now Poliante, open for three. And last touch coming in from Infante, the same possession. 67. Wait lang. Now Poliante, open again. Grabe naman yan. And Poliante takes it out on the perimeter shot. Now Infante, it's getting trouble. Pero nakuha pa rin mismo ng Infante without another possession. Vasco, open and limpid, no good again. And rebound coming in from Lau. Lau. And pass to Poliante. Poliante that's now and another one and block again. Now on Mali. Mali pointing onto the place. Last 6 minutes remaining. Now pointing onto the place. Open on two. It's coming. Now pointing onto Poliante. Poliante, pump fake. Pass to Lau. Lau, pantay pa rin mula dito kay Umali and Avocado. And still no good. And intentional loose ball pause. Sub. And the foul coming on number 52. Nag-timeout din kasi third quarter nag-timeout din. Now on Umali. On point on to another one. Umali, binigay sa kita onto the corner. Susugod si Vasco. And contested shot and another one. Vasco is good. Now 9-point lead on Infant. Lau. Pass it up onto Avocado. Avocado again on the side step. Pero katungan na tumama pa rin ang bola sa ring and another loose ball possession. Now Avocado finds pass onto Lau. Lau turning to attack. And another foul call on Masirag. Ilan yun? Second team foul on Infant. Masirag first personal. Poliante on to Lau. Lau again and another one calls a foul on Bablis. Bablis is warning for graduate. Now Piachi up on Poliante for three. Ah! Poliante is turning. Is contributing at 8 points of the game. Now Umali. Pass to Bablis. Bablis again. Pantay pa rin kami from Lau. He's got a double team pero nakuha pa rin ang lead with a turnover. Now Poliante. Poliante with another one. And he's got another foul. Glorioso. It's still no good. Pero nakuha pa rin ni Avocado. Avocado to Poliante taking on another one. Still no good. And bitawa pa ng bola from straight fan. Now pointing at down to Lau. Attack mode. Auto Glorioso. No good. Now on Bablis with the rebound. Now pointing in out to Bablis. Takes it up on a double team. Bablis. Finds pass and takes in another foul on Avocado. Avocado warning for graduate. 13 foul on Elite. Warning for graduate. Third. Opo. Now on Umali. Umali, take it. Oh, wow, a block and another one, and it's good. Now, Lau. Pass to Puliante. Pero nakuha pa rin kami kay Umali and calling a hands for foul on Lau. Warning for penalty. Lau, you will come back in 5 seconds. Sit down for 3 minutes si Lau. Babalik siya ng 5 seconds. Sorry. Lau, babalik ka pala ng 55 seconds. Opo. 55 seconds. Ay, 5 seconds lang. Sorry. Pasok ang dalawa. 75. Now pointing on Tabasco. Rasco is short. And coming in from Avocado. Avocado and Chip. Pero nakuha pa rin coming in and another one calls a foul. Ang foul on Umali. Oras natin. 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Warning for penalty both teams. Poliante. Pantay coming in from Umali. Now Poliante susugod and trying to attack and step away. Now on Umali. It's a 2v1. Rasco and Skug. Now pointing onto Avocado. Third shot and another block. Now Bablis. And another one, Rasco, and counted again. Still no good. Now sa Elite pa rin. Avocado. Pump fake. And third set on the floating. Pero nakuha ni Shera on the jumper. No good. And the rebound coming in from Avocado again. Avocado pass to Glorioso. Step back for three. And rebound on Marisag. And step. Avocado. No good. Now on Marisag. Masira pass to Bablis. And still 1 minute and 45 seconds. Now Bablis open onto Umali. Umali again, pero natapalan and another steal. One on Poliante, it's good. And a timeout in fun.
You're mourning here like watching stars. I could walk you by an old town without a thought. To be mine, would you mind if I took your hand tonight? No, you're all that I want.
Game time! 1 minute and 18 seconds. Now, Andrasco. Pinasa kay Marquez. Now, on point on to Bablis. Putik pa siya, napatama sa guwit. Pero Bablis pa rin. And that's still 10 to shoot. Bablis on the shot and no good. Sabrip. Ready, next game. Youngblood and Los Amigos 16 other division. Now on elite. And Bolians and Potential, that's the Rapini. Pero nakuha pa rin ng Infant. Ong on the side step on the fast break in skill. And pointing on to another one. Ipinask na ang mga bench players ng elite. And another one. Now, nice back pass on to Del Pilar. Pero nakuha pa rin ng elite. Last 20 seconds. Penalty. Penalty. "20 seconds left. Now 15 seconds left. 10 seconds. 5. And that should do it. The Infant wins on to the last elimination with a final score of 81-67.